there is no other alternative. There is nothing like, I'm from Eastern Europe. We can get a lot of stuff down here. And somebody has already copied all of this. I will go broke very, very soon. That's a sick upgrade. 2 sets inside. It costs like 4,000 euros. But this is really me. This is really the story. This is really my passion, my dream. Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and this channel is everything about riding, fun, and petrol headwoods. And today, well, today it is also about opening the largest European shop for Can-Am Spyder and Ryker aftermarket parts. At the beginning of 2021, during the COVID time, I have thrown in 50,000 euros into this dream. And to make it even worse, I have borrowed half of the money from the worst collector ever, from my mom. Yep, that's all true. And because every project, every successful project needs to have a goal, my ultimate goal is to quit my daytime job 1 year from now and, you know, just to live from all of this. Will I succeed or will I fail? You're about to find out in these new episodes. And now, let me tell you what's this first episode about, and let's get started. Before we will really start, in case you are not a subscriber, it will be awesome if you hit the subscribe button and have the notifications on, because every time I make an update to this life-changing project, you will be notified. And what we'll do, or what you will find out in today's episode is, in case you are not aware and you don't know what's BRP Can-Am Spyder or Ryker world about, I will very quickly show you or tell you what's that about. And of course, this online shop, it's about petrol head stuff, petrol head wood. We will go through these 2 boxes because most of the things will come from US. These are the 2 boxes that has just arrived. Actually, that one is from Asia. It's not from US. But I will tell you like why I have decided to work with this dude. His name is BajaRon. And frankly speaking, and long story short, I can get similar things down here in Europe as he sells, but I will never do it. And I will explain you why. And that thing, there are only 2 sets inside. It costs like 4,000 euros, and one of them will go on TheBeast, and one will be available for sale. And if I will go this direction, that most of the things I will put on my bike, I will go broke very soon. And the last not least, I'll tell you something about this brand. It's called MTV Manufacturing, so MartinTheVlogger Manufacturing. These are my tiny products. And actually, I'll share with you the logic or what it's behind. Because all of this is not only about sale and business and stuff like that. It's about passion, it's about hard work, it's about things that I absolutely do love. So this is it. And yeah, let's really get started. Now very quickly, because I'm pretty sure many people don't know what this bike is all about. So the brand, it's called BRP, Bombardier Recreational Products, and the division, it's Can-Am. And this one, it's called Spyder. It's more like expensive version of these 3-wheelers. The cheaper one is called Ryker. And it's super popular these days because the starting price, it's quite interesting for these machines. The starting price there, it's around $9,000. Same thing goes for euros here in Europe. Now these things are a little bit more expensive. This is Spyder F3S called TheBeast, and it's 2015 model. The very first Spyder F3S in the Europe. MartinTheVlogger has it. I bought it from the paper. I have sold no money from my mom. I have sold my old BMWs at 4, and I have bought this. And ever since I'm making videos, this is Spyder F3S price tag starting from 16,000. This one has a lot of upgrades, like 10,000 euros worth of upgrades. And you can get more luxurious version, which is called RT. It's something like Honda Goldwing on 3 wheels. Super luxurious, super pricey, around 28K, something like that, 30 with a limited version. So, by the way, 1330 engine, 110 horsepower, not shooting flames, but almost. super fast, super cool looking, with a super cool looking, well-sized dude. Okay, jeez. All right, let me go very quickly through this box and let me actually tell you why I'm working with this person. It's actually everything that I want my shop to represent, not only towards like the quality of the product, but also I think manufacturer to a manufacturer. Give me a second and I will explain you what I mean by this. Now, what is this all about, and what I have meant by this cooperation means a lot to me in terms of like all the values. The person name is BajaRon, and this dude, actually his product was the very first product that I have bought via Lamonster because they are cooperating together. It was the very first product I have put on TheBeast, on the BRP Can-Am Spyder F3S. What he's really well known for is this Swaybar or anti-Swaybar. I don't want to get really too much into the product. Basically, you have anti-Swaybar on the sports cars or on the Spyders like this, or on the Rykers. And actually, it connects two sides of your vehicle and it doesn't allow to roll, kind of. And it helps you to steer and it helps you to ride better, more comfortably and stuff like that. This thing, it's super, super worth. Now, I'm from Eastern Europe and some people over the time, this dude is making this ever since 2009. Of course, there is an anti-sway bar on the stock, or it's a stock anti-sway bar on the motorbike. However, it's not that good. So this dude has developed anti-sway bar. This dude has developed these links that on our bikes come as a plastic. So this dude has developed all of this. Now, I'm from Eastern Europe. We can get a lot of stuff down here. And somebody has already copied all of this. Has them copied BajaRon or has them come with something super similar? I don't know. But what I can tell you is that I will not sell that on my website. Because I do appreciate, because I do, you know, I don't know if envy is the right word, but I have big respect for whoever comes with an idea, for whoever is the best on the market, even if it means it will cost more on my shop, even if it means some other people will buy the cheaper stuff down in Europe. I don't care. What I care is the loyalty, what I care is the respect, what I care it's an honesty. And this thing, I believe, is the best on the market. It's the original thing on the market. And that's what I would like to represent on my shop. So no cheap stuff, no copy-paste, original stuff, even though if it means that it will be a little bit more expensive. MartinTheVlogger only recommends and only sells the things that he personally believes in. Take it or leave it, but that's the key of the shop. So, first thing, I'm super happy to see it. And tomorrow I'll need to take pictures of all of these because I'm using just stock pictures on my shop. Thanks guys, thanks BajaRon, perfectly done. I will be not lost, I was worried, but everything is done perfectly, so I should really be not lost. Now, this thing, it's super cool, and especially if you are Can-Am Spyder rider, that's a sick upgrade. It is already on a couple of F3s in Asia. And if this will work, because I will give it a try, hopefully next week. If this will work, it's going to be one of the sick upgrade, or if not the most sick upgrade that I will put on my bike. What is this all about? Oh, yeah, baby. It's about brakes. It's about calipers. It's about rotors, big rotors, and everything that every petrol head basically needs. And about brake pads that are carbon metallic, which is crazy. And these people, whee! And yeah, if this all goes super well, MartinTheVlogger is gonna be, hopefully, exclusive reseller of these in the whole world. This is what I'm talking about. Ooh-wee! Nice. Beautiful. Yup. Not cheap though. Not cheap at all. Oh yeah. Bad boys. Look at those. Oof. Everything is custom built by a racing company that focus on sports cars. Sweet. By the way, that thing, I already said it with BajaRon, what represents this shop. That thing represents it from different perspective. Those brakes, that upgrade, it's something like, in case you know Spyder word, there is no other alternative. There is nothing like brake upgrade. Even though, in case you ride aggressively, which I'm not saying I'm riding aggressively. Who knows me, you know that I'm always respecting rules. However, highly hypothetically, in case you ride aggressively, you will cook those brakes because this thing is 450 kilograms. With me, it's a super lot. And these Brembo brakes are great, however, you will cook them. So that thing, it's a unique upgrade. Nobody else is doing it in the world. And this is something that represents me, MTV online shop, MartinTheVlogger. I'm always doing something crazy, trying to move the game to a different level. And if this will work, if that upgrade will work, I'm gonna be super proud that I will be able to sell it. If it will not work, I will tell it to you and the extra set will be never sold. That's the risk I'm taking. When I'm talking about crazy stuff, I have decided that I will share with you one cool story that I will share within a couple of weeks. It's gonna be called 100K Challenge, and it's gonna be something that nobody ever did before. It will be dangerous, it will be fun, it will be crazy traveling. However, the 100K is very important and it's not about money. But I'll tell it to you and I will share this with you very soon and I will need your support for this. I'm just saying. Now the last thing what I would like to share is like again, it's about like what MartinTheVlogger is and what the shop is. But this is really me. This is really the story. This is really my passion, my dream. So you have to understand that I'm putting a little bit, you know, maybe not important, but a little bit extra. So this is the story, how it all started. And everyone received it signed by me. I don't know, it's not important, but I take time and I'll sign personally every single, you know, of these. And with packaging, you know, everyone has the same treatment. It doesn't matter if you buy a thing for 20 euros or 2,000 euros, you know. Everyone has to receive it the same way. So these are actually the fixed push buttons. That's our best seller. It's like 300 of them sold in 5 or 6 months. Quite nice. So, guys, I don't know. This is all about it. I'm so excited about that thing. I told you I'm gonna do shooting of those pictures tomorrow, but no, I'll make pictures today, right now, and in the evening, when the kids go to the bed, I will put them on the website, because that's the first thing that has arrived and we can sell it. That's super cool. Actually, we are selling a few things. This is already a board. Many of the things, it's already shipped because we have our own products, but cat deletes and exhausts, they are prepaid. They're sitting here because some of you guys are super cool. You have bought it way up ahead and you're just waiting them to be delivered. So next video, guys, next video is gonna be about, hopefully about new wheels coming. So that's gonna be absolutely awesome. It's like, I don't know, like 14 or 12 sets of new wheels. And we're gonna have exhaust coming. That's a cool thing. And we need to do something with all of the cardboards because there's a lot of them, and I need to make sure like everything's gonna be packaged in a cool way, by the way, and I'll share it with you in the next video. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you're not subscribers and you're still watching, hit the subscribe button, have the notifications on, because every time I make a videos, you will be notified. Wait for a 100K challenge because it's gonna be absolutely sick. Now, this is it from today's episode. In case you have any questions, in case you would like to find out a little bit more about the shop, about the partnerships, about what the hell I'm doing, just write it into the comments. I will make sure I will reply to you in the next episode. And now guys, remember, visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop and always have fun. And don't forget about that cool challenge, 100K challenge. I will share with you shortly.